Hi there and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to provide few highlights of our AI Ops incident room. This provides all the relevant tools and insights at one place to quickly diagnose and resolve incidents. What we are seeing here is the summary page where we have the topology and the scope of impact for the incident. We see the correlated alerts, the related alerts, and the AI generated summary, which includes the recommendation and a quick way to collaborate with other teams. Let me double click on some of these, and here first we are seeing the correlated alerts coming in from multiple different assets like your web app and DB. And in the root cause analysis page, what we are seeing is information about any metric anomalies that were identified, how many correlated alerts are there, how many change requests are potentially leading to this incident. And in here visually we can also see that this is the incident timeline, this is when the incident happened, and here we have identified a metric anomaly. We are also seeing the metrics data that is actually dynamically retrieved from the underlying monitoring tools, and this also allows you to compare the metric data across multiple KPIs on the time scale. Here we have the topology, a dedicated widget here, dedicated page to show the topology. Now we can also see the overlay of the operations data like alert data on top of it. And here we can see that there is a critical alert with providing more information about the alert. And the collaboration pane allows you to collaborate with other teams who may be using other tools within the enterprise. And we have the chatbot baked into the incident room, and here you can ask conversational queries or questions around how to resolve the incident or what kind of alerts are in this incident. And you can see it has the context of the incident already. It is doing the MCP tool calling behind the scenes using the multi-step reasoning, and finally providing the recommendation. We have diagnostic tools here which are implemented using RDA pipelines and workflows, but we can also integrate with third-party tools like Ansible, Python, or even Cisco NSO or BPA. Same thing with the remediation tools. After all of this, the incident can be updated or resolved, or it can be escalated, all directly done from here. And the incident state will be updated in your ticketing system. So those are some of the quick highlights of the incident room. In this short video, I'm going to provide few highlights of our topology widget. What we are looking at is a large Cisco SD-WAN implementation. And here we are seeing a large number of chassis and edges. We can also see the different nodes and links from the control panel. There is also an equivalent geomap view for this. And we can see the different states of the edges. Now let me go to the SD-WAN topology, and in here also we have the nodes that you can select, and let me do a few more operations here. You can zoom to fit. These are the different edges that we are seeing, and for every node we also have information about the particular node. And I think what is really interesting is the way you can change the types of the layout. For example, here we have bottom to top, and then I can change to left to right, or even right to left. And for me, one of my favorites is the non-hierarchical layout. You can see that, and it changes this layout. And what are these links? When you click on it, and it's going to highlight in the nodes. And the other interesting thing is you can select this and add it to a view. For example, add it to new view. These two selected nodes can be added to a new view, and then it will show only those particular nodes. Again, those are quick highlights of our topology widget.